All right, how's it going, guys? So here we go. Day 16 of trading for me. Closing up today, up $60.05 after commissions. Not bad. So pretty much making back about half of what I lost yesterday. And hopefully tomorrow I can close the day green and get back green in the week. So I can close this week green. And then next week we have 4 trading days left. And I hope that'll be a solid week so that I can close this month a little bit stronger than where I'm currently sitting. So just 2 trades today, nothing serious. The market wasn't really, we saw a lot of false breakouts and just choppy setups that didn't work, breakouts that didn't really work. It would pop up for a second but then quickly be rejected. So we saw a lot of that today. Stocks popping up on the momentum scanner, and you're just kind of afraid to jump into them because you're thinking, well, I just saw that last stock pop up and then pretty much retrace the entire move. So I'm afraid to get into this next one. I couldn't trade OGEN, so I'm not going to go there, but that was right here. Tried to take a trade at 936, not enough buying power. And then I think it halted. Tried to get in after the halt, not enough buying power. So that was that. My next trade, my first trade of the day was on CCCL. And this was actually a loser. So you can see here, in 500 shares at 307, selling, bailing out on the bid at 293. So CCCL. Let's see what we got here. So I took this trade at 952. Let's zoom in here just a little bit more. So that would have been this candle right here. So you can see it popped up, and this was happening all day. Stocks popping up like this, but then just coming back down and not really doing much the rest of the day. So just false promises, I got into CCCL. It was a stock that I was familiar with, and I know it has a history of making big moves, as you can see right here on the daily chart. And I saw it popping up on the momentum scanner, so I hopped in. 500 shares at 307. I tried to get in for the break of the whole dollar, but I missed it. Just went a little bit too fast, and so I missed my entry. Got in at 307. It went to a high here of 317. Just not good. I ended up selling at 293. It was unfortunate. So I think after that trade, I was down like 65 or like $70 after commissions, $80. And I'm thinking to myself, I hope this isn't like yesterday, where I finished the day in the red over $100. And so I said, let me just slow down. I'm only going to look for the best setups. And then so HTBX popped up on the scanner. And when it first popped up, it wasn't really moving that much. It popped up, I think, like right here. You see this doji candle, then we had this red candle, and then out of nowhere, volume just poured in. Right here, you can see, shot from, it opened up at 326 and shot up to 360, was halted on a circuit breaker halt. So I guess in retrospect, a good entry would have been the high of day, which high of day break would have been right here at 335. So if you got in at 335, held up to 360 for the halt, and then held through that halt, I ended up getting in for the halt. So I got in at the halt at right here, at 360, 500 shares. It was a 10-minute halt. Stock opens up, then goes to a high upon the resumption, goes to a high of $4. I ended up getting filled at 390, sold on the bid. So that was a good trade. I think 30 cents per share right there. And that took me from in the red 70 to in the green 80. So that was a fantastic trade. I think maybe a little bit over 150 on that trade. 500 shares, 150. So that was fantastic. I was happy with that. I wish I would have saw this setup a little bit better. The high of day break at 335. but I didn't. I still managed to capture profit on it though. So yeah, that's really it for today. Those are my 2 trades, and overall I'm happy with the trades for today. I think CCCL I could have done a little bit better at. I don't know. I just thought, this one has a history of making moves. If I get in now, I'll be in early for the setup, and I won't miss the bulk of the move. And so that was my mentality with that one. But it wasn't, I don't know, something about that one. I'll go back and review that on the live trading recap, and see what exactly I could have done to improve that trade right there. But still, it wasn't bad. I didn't hesitate to get in. So if this would have made a move, then I wouldn't be having this conversation with myself, if it did make a move. And it could have very well made a move. It could have done what HTBX did, where it pops up and it keeps going. You see it pops up right here, pulls back a little bit, closes red, but then it finds a second foot and just shoots through high of day up to a circuit breaker halt, shoots up to $4. That's a 1-point move from where it opened this morning. Not bad, right? So CCCL could have easily done that, but it didn't. So I happened to be on the wrong side of, I don't know, the wrong side of the stick. I don't know what the saying is. But anyways, guys, that's it for me for today. Tomorrow is Friday, and I hope that we see some more great opportunities tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and record the live trading recap now, so I can get that posted here today. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. All right, take care, guys. Bye.